Unfortunately, I didn't get to do an introduction, so probably that's gonna be done after. We're at Price Mart, getting food to eat. This is so uncomfortable. Beep, 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 beep. By the orange. Alright. So, fruit punch.
There you go.
Bread roll.
Bread roll.
I'm tired.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you. As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room.
So here we are trying to get to Falling Edge. This is our first time trying to find this river. We're currently using the map. Let's see if it directs us to where we're supposed to go. You on the right road? Okay. And you want to ask them people then? Just for certainty? Left or right? Always choose right.
Do you feel like we just come out and walk, right?
He's telling everybody that was born before him.
That making noise? Try bamboo, that means the road again.
We're here walking to the actual river because the car was too low with all of us inside, so we had to get out and trod the journey. So we're here walking to the river. Place is cool and nice. A lot of greenery, which I love. Yeah, it's so refreshing, right? This is nice.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
What's popping?
So we're here on a journey. Falling Edge. Are these berries?
The deadly one.
Oh, these are the
I don't know. No, you remember those trees that when you
Yep.
were young, the mother would say don't eat the berries?
Yeah.
You remind me of that.
Yeah, watch all the trail. Wallet just a jar down my pants like it heavy and it not heavy.
Oh, you cash it.
I wish.
The money cashing out.
I wish.
The money.
The section here remind me of a little section around where they climb Blue Mountain.
Here. 10 minutes walk.
Now we have to capture the journey, man. You stay it, you know, we have to soak it in a little. This is once in a blue moon. I have to soak up a bush.
Suck up your medicine. we have reached the side. Let's settle and try and get some swim, and let's see how the day turns out.
Why is it so cold?
Come on, let's
Why is the
go.
water so cold though? Why is the water so cold though? Well, I don't know why it's so cold though. I can't handle that.
I did it! You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So River Day has come to an end, and we're en route home. Falling Edge, it was a success. I would recommend a nice getaway from the city and just enjoying nature as a whole. It's quite refreshing, so it's something I would recommend. It was a nice experience. The water was super cold, not cold to the point where you're freezing to death, but it was cold or cool enough for you to enjoy it. And it's not about the location, but it's about those you come with to build a vibe and enjoy yourself. Because at the end of the day, you bring the vibe, right? It's not where you actually go that determines the outcome, but those you actually go with. And I came with family, basically, and it was great. So I'd definitely recommend. It's a plus. That him say? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Yeah, the tour guide. As long as it there is in the background, the farm. And as it relates to distance, it's not that far. I think it took us. Because we make several stops on the way here, because I had to get like food, drinks. So it took us, I want to say, an hour and 45 minutes. And if we exclude the stops that we made, it would have been within 1 hour. And it's pretty easy to find.